Caleb's Mom Shop, and today is going to be just a little tip. Very simple. I've had a few people reach out asking about my swag wreaths and adding a hanger to it. So I wanted to show you guys a few ways to do so. I got a shipment of swag bases from Greenery Market that we're gonna open up. And you can see, if you've never ordered any before, I know the first time I ordered, I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? So, and if you guys have not already done so, hit that subscribe button, all right? Join me on this YouTube journey I got going on, all right? So this is how they're gonna come. I think I ordered 5 of them. They're flat, they're like this is what they are, all right? So we only need 1. And these do come with a hanger, okay? And even though they do, I personally like to attach a hanger. But I'm also going to show you in case a swag base that you have does not have a hanger attachment, all right? So for this video purpose, I'm not fluffing it. If you would like me to do that, let me know and I'll do another video on how I, fluff the bases. So like I said, this comes with a hanger. But what I like to do personally, because it gives it some length and it looks nice, and I don't know, I take some of this twined wire, check Amazon. I have it in the link to this video. And I'm just gonna cut off a little piece like so. And then put them together like that. All right, and then you have your little hanger. Let me get a little closer. All right, so you're gonna put it in 2 pieces like that, okay? And then you're just gonna tie it around it. All right, and this again, once it's all fluffed out and you have all your stuff, it's just, and then what makes it hang a little longer, I don't know. This is my preference. But if it does not have a hanger, so say that is not existent, what you can do is you can take 2 ends in the back of it, okay? These 2, and you can just twist, and you made your own hanger. Right here. See? Okay. So that is the 2 ways, that is what you can do. You can use the needles that are attached. And if it does come with a hanger, you can add what I did. Either way works. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this was very short, very sweet. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out my email list. You can subscribe to that as well. And if you have any questions, or if you have any ideas of what you would like to see in the upcoming tutorials, or tips and tricks that you have questions about, leave those in the comments as well. Again, I am Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and we will chit chat again soon. All right, bye guys.